Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul in quite some time. I think the last time I did one was for a spring haul. So now I'm gonna share some of the new things that I found at my local Dollar Tree. I've spoken about this before. My store is kind of hit or miss. It sucks. A lot of times I don't find all the good stuff that everyone else gets, but this time I was able to find some pretty cool stuff, and I also was able to find something that I know a lot of my other fellow cleaning mamas have been on the hunt for. So let's get right into this video. I also have a mini Goodwill haul with some finds that I found there. I got some items for my coffee bar that I've been talking about doing over. And by the time you guys will see this video before I show you my actual coffee bar review, because I've been working on it and redoing a table that I found. So let's get right into this video and I'm gonna show you guys all of the new cool things I found. So the first thing I got were these little tumbler cups. This came in a pack of 2. I've already opened it and my son's already chewed the straw. But I thought these were super cute. They had about 4 different kinds of different colors. I thought this one was cute. It just says tropical vibes, perfect for my sweet tea and my iced coffee. And then the next thing I got that's kind of for the summer, I grabbed this little flower pot. I have a plant that I was given from someone a couple years ago and it's managing to still hang on, and it's still in the original pottery, so I grabbed this. I thought it was really cute. I'll go ahead and set that on my porch. The next thing I grabbed was some new washi that they had, so I grabbed 3. You're gonna see Tank in the background. He doesn't know if he wants to be in the video or not, but I found this one and it is a pack of 7. I've gotten washi from the Dollar Tree before. It's okay, it's only $1, so I'm not expecting top notch. And then I grabbed this one. And then this one. I like this one because it has a lot of the purples. I don't really have any purple washi. So I grabbed those 3. Now the next item is not new to the Dollar Tree. It's just hit or miss at my store. I found this little organizer case. Now I use these for washi storage. I'm big into planning and crafting, so these literally fit my washi perfect. I already have 2 of them and I'm kind of squeezing them in there. So I just grabbed one of these. When I saw that they had tons, I had to get one. Then I just picked up these little hair clips. Again, this isn't a new item, but it's something that I wanted. A little water bottle. I have curly hair. I like to spray and go. I needed a new one of these. The one I had from the Dollar Tree before, it's kind of had its time. The next cool thing that I found over in the baby aisle, which if you guys have babies, you need to head to the Dollar Tree. They had so many cute bandana style bibs. As you know, Samir just turned 1. He never really was big into bibs. He hated them, but I used to buy plastic bibs from there that are super cute. And they had so many new baby items. It was unreal. But he's, just turned 1. He's coming out of that little baby infant stage. But if you guys are expecting or have a little baby, definitely head to the Dollar Tree. No shame in my game. You'll find quite cool things. So over in the baby aisle, I found this cabinet lock. I'm interested to see how this works out. I wanted this for my cleaning supply cabinet because these are always getting into that cabinet. So I figured $1, why not? I'll give it a try. I bought some other ones on Amazon and they kind of just didn't work out for my cabinet setup. So this is what I've been looking for. I saw it, I was excited, I grabbed it. And then the next cool thing that I seen that I have yet to see at my Dollar Tree yet was a phone stand. I seen these on Amazon and I was going to order one. I really don't see what the difference is. I'll let you guys know how this turns out. It was only $1. I thought it'd be pretty cool to go on my desk. Then I just picked up some Clorox wipes. My friend Shanti told me to grab these, especially with my little ones. They don't clean off carts at the store, so she told me you need to grab these and just have these in your purse or in your diaper bag. So I just picked up some of these. Then I grabbed some cleaning gloves. I've never tried these ones. I did buy some from Walmart before, but I figured I'd just give these a try. Now I have found something that is new and everybody's been looking for it. I know not everybody has it at their Dollar Tree yet. The lemon fabuloso. I'm excited to try this out. I used to use Fabuloso, the purple one, years ago, and I stopped using it because I kind of got tired of it. You know how that is, you use something for so long and after a while you just want to change things up. So I've been kind of hooked on the Pine Sol and I use the lavender, but everybody's been talking about this. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, all on YouTube with other cleaning channels. So when I seen my Dollar Tree had it, I decided I'd grab it and try it out. It smells good. So we'll see. Because usually that's what I liked about Fabuloso in the past, that the scent actually stayed. So when you walk into your house, it would just smell so fresh and clean. I love lemons. We'll see. Go to your Dollar Tree, see if they have it. I do know that they are selling this at Walmart, but if you just want to get something smaller just to try it out, the Dollar Tree is the perfect. Now the last thing that I found were some pretty cute little trinket trays. They are so cute, you guys. The first one I got was this one. It just says Inspire. I thought this was really cute. You can put this on your vanity, on your desk. I like to use these to keep like little paper clips or little earrings or stuff like that if I use it on my vanity. And then I got this one. How cute is that? Oh, so cute. I had to get this one. I got this one. It says good night. And then I grabbed 2 of these. Now I grabbed some of these for a friend of mine. I thought these were just so adorable. And you guys know, if you find something at the Dollar Tree, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to get it again. So just buy it. Buy it and buy multiples. The cashier actually said that. She said when she's seen those, she grabbed a couple because they're so cute. And you can find those at like Hobby Lobby, the same style, probably not that far in quality, for like $5 unless you hit it on sale for $2.50, but I'd rather pay $1. So that completed everything that I got at the Dollar Tree, some of the new current finds in my store. Now I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got at the Goodwill. I love to thrift. I haven't been to the Goodwill for a while, so I just went in there and I grabbed a couple things that I seen. I found a couple items for my coffee bar that I'm so excited to kind of make over and show you guys what I come up with. So the first couple of things I got was some shorts for Tank. He is in a bigger size, and instead of going all out and just buying a whole bunch of stuff, I figured I'd check the Goodwill first. I did buy him a couple pairs of jean shorts a couple weeks ago, and their color scheme this week was 50% off for pink tags. I only found 1 pink tag, but here are the kids' clothing items are only $1.99 anyways. But I got these shorts, so I only paid $1 for these, just some plain navy shorts. Then I got him these khaki shorts. These were $2. So like the cargo style, I thought these were cute. And I got him these pair of jean shorts. So these were $1.99 as well. And the last thing I grabbed him was this super cute jean jacket. This is in like excellent condition and it was only $1.99. I like how it had the hood. I figured this would be perfect, especially for like the fall. I did get it in 4T, so it might be a little bit big now, but hopefully by the fall it'll fit him. If not, that's the joy of having Samir. I can just pass all this stuff down to him anyways. So those were the couple clothing items that I found. The next thing I found were these drip pans. So these were brand new in the pack and they were only $1.99, you guys. So I like to put these on my stove, and when I seen them, I said I'm just gonna grab them. They only had 1. I wish they would have had 2, but I can just go ahead and replace out the ones that need to be switched out now. And for $2, these are like $5 or up at the store. So I grabbed these. Then the next thing I found was this mug holder. I was beyond excited to find this because I actually was going to buy one on Amazon or at Walmart. This was only $2.99. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this white so it can coincide with my coffee bar setup. So stay tuned for that video, you guys. I will be posting the process of me making over the table, and then I will have a decorating portion showing me make over the whole setup and decorating. Last thing I found was this cute little tray. I got this for my coffee bar as well. This was $2.99 also. I liked how it had a lot of like the rust, kind of gives it like that rustic look. I thought this would be cute, so I'll go ahead and decide to do something with this. So that was everything that I found at the Goodwill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing some of the items that I found, especially at the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of cool summer items. You guys should definitely go check out the Dollar Tree and see what you can find. The Goodwill as well. I love thrift shopping. There's so many things that you can always find for such a cheap price and make it over yourself and turn it into something nice that fits your home. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.